So Britt, here we are on Beach Drive. It is actually a local hotspot. You can enjoy the sun, the swings, access to the water.
Absolutely.
Just a few minutes from the Cove House.
Yes, we have a quintessential Cove home, which is again another beloved local community. I can't wait to check it out.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
The kitchen has some newer appliances and it flows really nicely into this living room, which is attached to a great Florida room.
This beautiful large ensuite is flooding in with that Florida sunshine. This 3-bed, 2-bath also has this beautiful Florida room.
This Cove home comes with a great big backyard and it's fenced in, and there's a little extra storage building.
And don't forget, it does have what the Cove is known for, a little alleyway giving you access to the backyard. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the link there for you to check out all of the details.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.